So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download music from YouTube as MP3 file. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now here, open YouTube and search for a song. For example, let's search Baby by Justin Bieber. Now this is the song. Click on it to play it. Now after this, click on this address bar and copy this link. Now open a new tab. Here search for YouTube to MP3 converter. Now here you will see this link called YTMP3. Open it. Now paste the URL and click on convert. And this will convert the music to MP3. Click on download. And as you can see here, the music is downloaded. Click on this file icon. And the music is now downloaded. And you can play it now. So this way I can download YouTube music as MP3 file. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.